All right, we're gonna do a stretch and fold technique for our American style, East Coast style, New York style, whatever you wanna call it, pizza. This is important for us to develop the gluten. Otherwise the dough will be soggy and much more difficult to work with. So the first thing we're gonna do is oil our countertop, just lightly. A lightly oiled countertop will help us keep the dough from sticking, okay? And I'm talking light, it does not have to be much. You don't want a big mess of oil on here. We do want to have an oiled work surface, so there you go. All right, next, you'll need a bench scraper. And I want to show you what this dough looks like as it's in the bin. It's very slack. All right, this one's about 69% hydrated. Okay, that means for every kilogram of flour in it, there are 690 grams of water. All right, this recipe also has some diastatic malt and a little bit of spelt. Okay, this dough is actually not too bad. I'm going to use a little bit of water. I've got some warm water here for my fingers so that I can keep it from sticking to my hands. But it's actually a pretty workable, strong dough already. Okay, we'll get this out on the counter. Okay, good. And then we want to use the scraper, get a few things out of here. Okay, good. All right, we're going to put the dough back in here. So we'll just set this aside for a second. All right, here's our dough mass. It's on the oiled countertop. All we're going to do is get our hands a little bit wet, and then we can kind of reach under it and then pull it. See how stretchy it is? Stretchiness in baking terms is called elasticity. No, sorry, extensibility. Elasticity is how it springs back. So here we go. We're gonna stretch it out, fold it back on itself, just kind of in threes, like we're folding a letter, okay? Then we're gonna rotate this, 90 degrees. There we go. And we're gonna pull it again the other direction. That way we can develop, look how tight it is now. It's getting tight already, right? Pull it that way, and then we'll pull it this way. Boy, it's hard to pull now. All right, and then we'll put it back in the bin, seam side down, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks.